siya ng Surigao City Parole and Provision Office Chief Probation and Parole Officer Dante C. Lison. Mga Suriganon, welcome na po. Ang assets ng City Traffic Management Unit sa pagpamulo ng Police Captain Robert M. Paredes, PNP Officer in Charge, Traffic Operation Coordinator. Nakita nato naman ang Boy Scouts of the Philippines sa pagpamulo ng Boy Scout Executive Ms. Josefina Tomato. Sunod ang Girl Scout of the Philippines sa pagpamulo ng sa Pasang Masid ang Battalion Commander Police Captain Robert M. Paredes.
Senior Fire Officer 1, Glenn M. Leo, sa Bureau of Fire Protection.
Jail Senior Inspector Rosalito A. Reyna, City Jail Warden. Jail Senior Inspector Vincent Jomelio Orculio, District Jail Warden ng Bureau of Jail Management and Penology.
First Lieutenant Joshua Clement Talley, Philippine Army.
Ensign Rajan O. Labradas, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard.
Surigao City Police Station and Surigao del Norte Police Provincial Office Assets. Police Lieutenant Colonel Attorney Mariano C. Dupan, Chief of Police, Surigao City Police Station.
Police Colonel Warren E. Dablo, Provincial Director, Surigao del Norte Police Provincial Office.
Police Regional Training Center, Officer in Charge, Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Lopez Manundo.
Sunod nato makita ang kabtangan ng Bureau of Fire Protection ng ipanuhan ni Fire Senior Superintendent Jerome P. Liano, Officer in Charge, Bureau of Fire Protection, Caraga. Fire Chief Inspector Julius Darren M. Bulatao, Provincial Fire Marshal, and Fire Senior Inspector Eduardo P. Quinto Jr., City Fire Marshal.
Bureau of Jail Management and Penology Assets, Jail Senior Inspector Rosalita A. Acting City Jail Warden, Surigao City Jail.
And Jail Senior Inspector Vincent Dominio Orfolio, District Jail Warden.
Philippine Coast Guard Assets, nagpangunahan ni Commodore G. Caleta, Coast Guard District Northeastern Mindanao. Lieutenant Senior Grade Roy Christopher R. Aurelianeta, Commander, Coast Guard Station, Surigao del Norte. PO2, Raymond Paul C. Isagonde, Philippine Coast Guard, Substation Commander, Coast Guard Substation, Surigao City.